Got some sweet potatoes lying around? Don't let them go to waste. Make this dessert. Super simple, super tasty. You're gonna love every bite. First things first, let's prepare all the ingredients so we're ready to cook. Start by peeling the sweet potatoes, then remove the tops and bottoms. Next, slice them up, trying to keep the pieces nice and even. Place the sliced sweet potatoes in a bowl. Rinse well under cold water to remove excess starch, then drain completely. Place the sweet potatoes in a pot. Add enough water to cover them and boil until they're fully cooked. After they are fully cooked, remove from the heat. Carefully drain the water and set them aside to cool. When they have cooled slightly, place them evenly into the cake tin, ready for the next step. Add the 2 eggs and sugar to the milk and whisk until the mixture is smooth and well blended. Cover the sweet potatoes with the egg and milk mixture. Lightly scatter black sesame seeds over the surface to add flavor and a beautiful look. Place in a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until set. After baking, once the mixture is set and firm to the touch, carefully remove the dish from the oven. Alright, let's dig in. This looks too good to wait. Sweet, soft and full of flavor. Save this video and follow for more recipes.